In today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to solve the skewb. I'll be using the skewb today in my tutorial. And the skewb is not too hard to solve. There's only one algorithm you need to learn, and it's a really simple algorithm. It is deceptively easy, as it looks like quite a hard puzzle, as it only turns like this. It can't do any M moves, any R's, other than these like slice moves. So let's start our tutorial. Just scramble your skewb. The only way you can move a skewb is by holding it like this. So you hold it like that, and then you just move it down. You can do that on all the faces. Make sure you don't try and turn it like a 3x3, so you go like that, as that's not good, and your skewb could pop, and popping off the skewb is not good, and it's not insanely difficult to rebuild, but there are some tricky steps. So once you've got a good scramble, the first thing we want to do is we just want to solve the white side. So we see that we've already got one in place, and that has orange and green on it. So let's look for another white with green or orange on it. So I have a white, green and red. So I want to get it up to here. If I move it up like that, it's in the wrong position. So what you need to do here is, if you can't move it straight up, you need to move this piece down out the way, and then move it up, and then you can move that one back. So let's go back to where we were. We had it like this, and this piece we wanted to get to there, and what we did was we couldn't move it like that. So what we did was we moved it down, and then we moved it back up. So it was actually here before, so we moved it down, we moved our piece up, and we moved it back. So we've got two, so we want one with either green, orange or red on it. There's one, it has red on it, and here we can just move it up and it's in the right place. And our final white piece, which needs to have blue and orange on it, is here, and it's turned the wrong way, so we're going to move it down. And remember what we did before, we moved this one out the way, put it back up, moved it back. So we always want it down in the bottom, so we move it out the way, bring it up, move it back. Then you've got the whole of the white face done, and you always want to have red, red, blue, blue, orange, orange, green, green. Doesn't matter what these big pieces are. So then what you're going to do is you're going to move our completed face to the bottom, and what we're going to do is we're going to, whatever this is, we're just going to put it in to where its two corners are. So green, green, and we have green on the top. So now the algorithm we're going to learn is, you're going to move down on the right, down on the left, up on the right, up on the left, and this is called the sledgehammer move. So now we've got our green in place, but the rest aren't solved. Yellow's on the top, which is where we want it to be, but because the others aren't solved, you're just going to put it into anywhere using that algorithm we just did. So move the right down, the left down, right up, left up. Now we have red on the top, move it over to red, then right down, right up, left up. And we have blue, so here, right down, right up, left up. Green, right down, right up, left up. And here we'll eventually get to all of these pieces in line with their corner pieces, and yellow should be at the top. So you can have one of two cases here. You can have this bar, or you you can have, there's just the middle pieces on top. The middle piece is the easier one, this is the harder one. So what you're going to do is you're going to make sure it's orientated like this. So you have one in the left, bottom left, one in the top right, and you're just going to do that move again. So right down, right up, left up. Do it one more time as we see that blue is going into the blue. So right down, right up, left up. So we still have the bar, which means we got the really unfortunate case. So again, we move it so that our left, one of them is in the bottom left and the other top right. So we can just move the cube. And we're going to do the sledgehammer move again. Right down, right up, left up, red, red, right down, right up, left up. And we still have it. So I don't know exactly how long you do this move for. It's not too much longer than this, but what you want is you want none of these two corner pieces here. So all you do is you keep on doing the sledgehammer over and over again. And now we have our white piece, oh not white, our yellow piece, and no other corner pieces on here. So we have yellow, yellow, and then yellow, and it doesn't matter what colour's here, and then nothing, and then yellow, and then it doesn't matter. So the way we want to orientate this is so that we have our headlights, so yellow and yellow, to our left, which will leave one yellow piece here facing us, and one yellow piece at the back facing away. So let's do our sledgehammer twice more and it should be solved. So right down, right up, left up. Okay, once more. Right down, right up, left up. And now you've solved the skewb. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Bye.